Okay, one last thing I'd like to look at before we move on to some more advanced query topics is the ability to specify a projection document in addition to our query document for calls to find. Now, what projection does is it essentially describes the shape we would like documents to take in the result set. I'm also going to break this out a little bit here with the query and projection variable and pass those to find instead of directly passing the dictionary that we constructed to find. I point this out merely because we'll see this again later on in the lesson, and I don't want anyone to be confused. Now, let's imagine that instead of getting back all of the documents for our query specifying constraints on manufacturer and class, we actually are only interested in getting the name of the document back. Well, we could simply print out the name down here, but another way we can do that is by specifying a projection as a second parameter to find. And what that's going to do is say all of the result documents that come back, instead of having their full contents, I only want to see name. Now, by default, unless we explicitly say I don't want to see the ID field, we'll also get ID. So that's why I've got ID set to 0 here. Okay, so the way we do this is essentially we specify all the fields for the documents in this collection and then specify whether or not we want them to occur in our result set. All right, let's run this. All right, and here we can see that the documents we get back simply have the name field in them.